Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel, and today we will be trying some Indian and Pakistani foods. And what we will do is we will have Anna, my wife here, who's from Japan. She will be trying a bunch of Indian and Pakistani foods. What we're trying to see is if she guesses them correctly, if it's from Pakistan or if it's from India. And she will get a point based on how many correct answers she gives, even if it's correctly guessed as Indian or Pakistani, doesn't matter. As long as she guesses it correctly, she will get a point. If she guesses more than 7 correct answers, she will get a gift from me.
Nice.
So let's start. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, if it's spicy, I have prepared some water in case if you want. So first item is this.
Wow, okay. It's a sweet. I was expecting something like
Looks like
spicy
this.
looking food. That's a surprise.
You can try it.
Smells good.
Try it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's called, I can give you some hints, but not a lot.
This has like a strong flavor of cinnamon
It's called
some hint of chocolate.
It's called candy biscuit.
I actually like this.
You like this?
I'm gonna try the next one.
Okay.
Just because I would just brush my teeth, I just wanted to try.
So where do you think it's from? Is it from Pakistan or is it from India?
Just because it's sweet but don't have much spices other than cinnamon, like westernized product, I would say Pakistan.
You're right.
Oh yay!
It's from Pakistan. You scored 1 point. Okay. Oh, and by the way, this is how it looks like.
Do they have chocolate inside?
It has caramel inside. Show them first.
Good.
Sorry. There you go.
It's just common to eat.
I used to eat it a lot when I was a kid.
I think a lot of Japanese people would like it. It's not too strong flavored, I think people would like it.
Alright. Let's go to our second item.
Good start. Looks like macaroni.
It's called kurkure.
Kurkure.
Kurkure. Solid musty.
Solid?
Solid musty.
What's that mean?
Solid
Solid?
fun, I guess.
Tastes like pasta but very hard texture. Okay. It's simple. Has some flavor in it. Tastes a little bit weird in the end. They put some spices that I might not a big fan of it. What was the name of this?
Kurkure. Solid musty.
Solid musty. The name of the product is cute. Solid fun. I don't know if this is Pakistan or Indian, but because I just tasted the Pakistani product, I will say this is Indian.
So you're using your geniuses.
To be honest, I haven't tried much like snacks.
It is Indian. This is how it looks like.
Kurkure. The name is really cute. Kurkure.
Kurkure. Solid musty.
Musty. What's that mean? Solid musty. Is that
Solid
like some
fun.
brand?
Oh no, Kurkure is the brand, and I think Solid musty is the name of this thing.
Okay. I think this star spices that they use for like China or India. This is the one that I think the reason I'm not a big fan of it, and I think they have cilantro in it too. Well, yeah, this is some light snack that I think I can eat at picnic or so.
Item number
Good
3.
start.
Ready?
I have 1 score out of 2, so I can recover that.
Now these are some biscuits
Another
again,
cookie. Okay.
and these are called click biscuit.
Something on it.
Yeah, it's safe to eat.
This tastes like curry. It's not sweet. Like I mean, it's sweet, but it's low of flavor, which I'm not the biggest fan of this. What was the name of that? Sorry.
Click biscuit.
Click biscuit, I would say, because it's full of flavor and spices. And I've already tried the Pakistani cookies. I would say this is Indian.
Wrong.
Well,
These are from Pakistan. This is the box.
I was like, there is some interesting picture or
Oh,
Joanne
yeah.
on the top.
That's
What's
the
this
brand.
mean?
So I think it's called Peak Friends is the name of the brand, and
Mhm.
Click is the name of the biscuit.
I see. Some guy holding
Yeah, Peak Friends.
instrument.
Remember there was this cartoon character who used to like take the mouse from the city. That I think is inspired from that.
I see.
Scores
hard
one.
to tell. Yeah, it's very hard to tell. I'm not doing good in am I?
Alright, fourth item.
I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is.
It's called pakola.
First of all, I'm not big fan of pop, and it tastes a little bit, not a little bit, like very artificial. I feel like I'm taking like the syrup out of the can and just drink it. And I know the name is
Pakola.
which means that it should be Pakistan because it says Pak in the
It is,
front.
and I think you've
I've
tried this before. He has. I mean, as a Pakistani, it is my responsibility to make sure my wife
But
tries pakola.
it's so funny that they make some original cola and name it as like Pak Cola. That's
Yeah.
so funny. This represents like how much Pakistani love Coca-Cola, including
Oh, yeah.
my husband. And
Ah.
he drinks every day. All right. This is fun. What's the next one?
Cookies again.
Cookies again. Are you a big fan of cookies?
So-
Alright.
These are called Mary biscuits.
You know what, Mari biscuit? We do have cookies named Mari.
Mm.
It might be the same product that we're eating.
These biscuits, I think, are called Mary biscuits, if I'm not mistaken.
Mhm. Tastes like Mari biscuit that I had too. Very simple. Don't have much flavor with this, which I really like. Have some interesting wind on top of the cookie, which is cute. Taste wise, very simple.
It's a tea biscuit.
Tea biscuit means like you dip it with the tea
Yeah.
and eat it. Very simple. I can eat it every day. That means they drink tea very often.
Keep in mind, people drink tea in both sides of the country.
Oh, okay.
In both the countries.
Ah, I see. That's the case. I've tried 3 cookies so far. 2 were Pakistani. So I'm assuming this is Indian. Really? He knows very well.
This
He
is
knows
from,
me very well.
This is from
He
Pakistan.
knew that I don't have much knowledge about Pakistani Indian snacks, so he knew that I will strategize. Isn't it the same brand as
It is, yes.
the
Eat
one-
cream. Yeah. Mary biscuits.
Okay. Another cookie? Are you like a cookie master or
I'm
something?
Cookie Monster. These are
Is
called Britannia Marigold.
Marigold. Let's try. Another tea biscuit? I like this one better. It has a little bit sweetness with it. Which I like it. Again, very simple. I think I prefer this over Mari. But the texture is very similar to what I had just now. This is like, is Pakistani or Indian cookie like every single day?
Not every day, but like
Is it
every.
more like cookie culture or something? I don't know.
Yeah. If you go to someone's house and you ask for tea, they will always have like some kind of snack or biscuit on the side.
That's very sweet. This, I believe this is Indian. Because this has to be Indian. If I try 5 cookies, and if it's gonna be Pakistan, that's absurd.
Alright, you're just playing games here. But yeah, yes it is. Finally.
I have to use my ability. I have no idea about what
This is how it looks like.
Nice and simple, cute.
Britannia Marigold.
Britannia Marigold. So this is also Marigold.
Yeah.
That one is Mari.
I
Is
had
it
the
like
same
a
thing from
competition?
2 different countries just to throw you off and see if you can guess it. You guessed one wrong
Do you think
and
I'm
one
that
correct.
good?
To be honest, even I wouldn't have known.
I thought they would have like a significant distinguish between Pakistan and India. I guess I was wrong. This is fun. Okay, let's bring the next one.
Now this is called,
It looks very different.
the brand name is United King, and it's called Khatta Meetha Mix. Sour sweet mix.
Let's try. I don't like sour food, but let's try. This tastes and looks like I've ate all the potato chips out of like a really big bag, and whatever the leftover
The crumbs.
in the on the bottom, this tastes like this with the sour cream or like some sour sweet taste with the potato chips bag.
It does taste like that, to be honest. So where do you think it's from?
I don't know. But how many products do you have?
There's 11.
overall? 11?
6 Pakistani, 5
5.
Indian.
And I
Oh
think-
wait, I shouldn't have told you that. Now you're trying to guess again.
Because
You're
I
trying to
think I
outsmart
tried-
me.
Well, I have to use to score and I can get some award later on. And I think I've tried a lot of Pakistani sweets so far, include the juice. So this is Indian.
Before I tell you,
Do you have like exact same leftover potato chips?
this is called
This is insane.
Haldiram's Khatta Meetha Mix. Sour
Really?
and
The
sweet
people like
mix.
potato chips leftover so much that they have another one?
Try
That's
it
crazy.
again. Now
The
this is the first
sourness.
one, and this is the second one.
I can definitely feel the sourness a little bit stronger than the previous one, but it's very distinct. Like it's very similar. This one has a lot of like nuts flavor with it, which I like it. I think we have like a similar taste in Japan where we have like a popcorn with almond in it, was mixed with caramel. I forgot the name of the product. This looks like exactly same. I mean, it's the taste is different, but I can't really tell. One is strong yellow color, one is less.
Based on the, I guess, taste, what do you think? Which one is Pakistani? Which one is Indian?
I think so far, Pakistani snacks is a little bit simpler, has a little bit less spice compared to Indian. So I think on the left one is Pakistan, and on the right side, I believe this is India.
Correct.
Oh, nice!
So that's 2 points. So what's your score? 4?
I think I got 5. Well, we can calculate it later.
So
But I
this
think
is the first.
I've been doing great, right?
Yeah, this is the first one. This is how it looks like.
It's so funny that everyone wants to eat exact same stuff but different taste.
And this is the second
So
one.
that they can make like Indian and Pakistan. It's like same as Japan and Korea. We make like pretty similar product but just make it a little bit twist with it.
This is our 9th product.
That's a Coca-Cola.
You never know.
Isn't it Coca-Cola from
I don't
Canada?
know. I don't know.
Tastes like Coca-Cola too.
Taste or smell?
Or smell, sorry. Let's see. Tastes exactly same as Coca-Cola you always drink.
It's a low-calorie version of Coca-Cola. How about that? Like, that's a hint. Oh, by the way, it's called Thumbs Up.
Thumbs up.
Like that.
It tastes same as Diet Coke.
Okay.
This is not Diet Coke. Are you sure?
I'm sure.
They make another Coca-Cola with a different name, and I haven't tasted before. And they had Pak Cola. Although I want to say it's Indian, but since Pakistan is a country for the lover of Coca-Cola, maybe this is also Pakistani.
No, it's Indian.
Oh. This tastes like exactly same as Diet Coke.
This is how it looks like.
Interesting, I've never seen it. What's this in here?
A vegetarian.
Ah, I see.
Alright. Now that's our 10th product.
Okay.
Now,
Close to the end, another
It's-
drink again.
it's not as common these days. Or maybe I shouldn't say. Just drink. Just drink.
Okay. Okay, tastes like some strawberry, raspberry, some artificial raspberry thing.
Basically, yeah.
I don't know which country it is, but it's very strong flavor. What's the name of this?
It's called Vimto.
Vinto. Because you knew that it's not that common nowadays, and I know you left Pakistan when you were like 18, I'm assuming this is Pakistan.
I basically gave that away. You get half a point for that.
No!
You get a half point for that. I
No,
gave it away.
doesn't matter. You just made a mistake and I just used that information.
Alright, you get the point for that. So the packaging looks like this.
Wow! Even the package looks like 90s.
It's made in Pakistan, but I think it's more like an Arabic drink. But this one is made in Pakistan. I used to drink this a lot when I was a kid. Then of course I came here, and I think now it's not as common.
It's just like it's not a common.
Not as common.
Okay. So the last one that we're gonna try would be this. Finally, some salty, spicy looking snack.
This is called kurkure
Kurkure?
chili chatka.
Chili chaka. Looks very spicy.
It is spicy. That's why I said near.
Near means spicy.
Chili chatka means like chili. Chatka is more like savory, but like on the higher end. Tastes a strong lemon or lime. Okay. I think. Ooh. Yeah, that's why it's in the end.
You said this is Indian?
I didn't say anything. You were going to say it's Indian or Pakistani. But it's supposed to be at the end, and the reason why it's in the end is because it's spicy.
I believe this is Indian. Before you answer, the reason why I'm saying this, you were constantly look at the memo.
I'm giving you
I
points.
can
I'm
tell
giving you
you
points.
that you're not familiarized with the name of the product, so I'm assuming you haven't had many chance to eat this to grow up with, so this is gonna be Indian.
It is, of course. I gave it away. I literally gave it away. This is cheating.
I'm not cheating.
This is how it looks like.
Look, it's cute. I heard kurkure before.
Yeah.
Don't I?
The first one was also kurkure.
Oh, okay.
This one.
I guess
It's the
this
brand
is a
name.
very popular in India.
So this one was solid musty, and this one was chili chat. So, yeah. Hey guys, this is the post-production Alamgir and Anna. I just realized that I did not keep the count properly, the score,
Yes.
and Anna actually won
Yes.
when I was trying to score this in the video. We both thought that we lost, but actually she won. So her gift is here. She always wanted this Muji moisturizer, so I just bought that today. And she has it. So thank you.
He made a mistake. I won. I'm a true Pakistani
Yes.
PR.
She's more Pakistani than me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video.
Bye.
Bye.
It was fun. It was fun.
I was close.
And
this is my first time
you
to
cheated a
try.
lot. You cheated a lot. But anyways, which one do you think is your favorite here? Which one do you
Actually,
think?
I think I liked the first one that I tried, the cinnamon flavor cookie.
Oh, that one.
I like something very simple, but I love the chocolate cookie or the chocolate flavor. Somehow this tasted like chocolate over cinnamon, which I like, and the texture was nice too. And I think this is something that I can eat every day, but it tastes good all the time. So this is my favorite. Yay for Pakistan. That was the one that I think I would choose as my favorite.
Alright. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you so much.
Like and subscribe. Yeah, it's one of our first few videos, so anything would be appreciated if you like our content. Thank you.
Thank you. Allah
Bye.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Bye.